Hi there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just doing a really quick fabric haul with you all. I just want to show you what I got from Sew Yeah Quilting. I got this a long time ago. I'm not even sure when. When I got the package, I just opened up the outside package and I did get a little bit of the inside package open, but I never went through the bag. It is tight. If you're not familiar with the Sew Yeah family and all of their quilting supplies, they have a quilt shop out in Las Vegas, Nevada. That family that runs this is the Tibbetts family, and they're siblings. And they have so much fun on there. You'll definitely want to check them out. But they have a YouTube channel where they do an online fabric sale often. I know on Tuesdays they do a new stash online sale, and I know on Saturday they do a Saturday de-stash online sale. You really don't want to miss that. If you have never checked them out, you'll want to go on. It's like an auction that they do, and it's fast and it's fun. They also do lots of flash sales. I'll put a link below. I'm also going to put a link to their website. That's to their actual store in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to show you what I got on the de-stash sale, and it's been a long time, so I'm not sure if they'll still have the items. Now, that's the other thing. When they do these sales, they sell it till they sell out too, but then maybe they have more in their shops, or maybe there's ways for you to get them. Just check them out for sure. All right, I already opened the bag, but remember, I never pulled anything out, so I'm super excited for this. Oh, I do have the date. My goodness, this was last November that I got this package. It's a little late in me showing it to you, but I'm still going to show it. I'm really excited to make Christmas quilts this year, and I'm planning to do it all with panels. That's going to make it really fast and really easy. Let me show you what I've got. I'm excited too, because it's been so long, I don't even know what's in here. Oh my goodness. How adorable. With this design, I got 4 panels. So there's 4 panels on here. Look how cute. My family is going to be so excited to get a quilt with these. Looks like I bought 4 of this panel too. Just look at that Santa. This was a little advent calendar that I got that is going to be made out of fabric. So cute. Going through this package certainly does feel like Christmas. Christmas in September. So this is going to be a wall hanging advent calendar, and I got these for all of my little grandies. There's 4 advent calendars on this. I got this panel to make little stuffed animals with. This is going to be a really fun project. You just cut the little stuffed animals out on the lines, and then you sew them right sides together, and then you stuff them, and you have an instant little stuffed animal. They're going to be really cute, and they look like they're going to be really, really easy. My little grandkids are going to love these. Oh my gosh. Look how adorable this is. This looks like 2 pieces of fabric, and it looks like I got 2 yards, and it's just adorable. I just love fabric with bees on it. Well, one thing I can tell you is I'm not putting it back in the bag. This is going to go in a basket. It's going to sit out in my sewing room, so I have to look at it every single day. That way I'm sure to get started on these quilts. Well, that was really fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go check out Sew Yeah Quilting. You're going to love them. I'm going to put their links below. I'll come back on to show you how these quilts come out as well. Okay, stay tuned for more fun videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.